Welcome back to Human Design Time, Parenting Edition, Gate 41, Parenting the Gate of Fantasy, the Gate of Contraction. Parenting Gate 41 is definitely going to be an interesting, fun, and slightly scary journey for you and your child. But before we get into that, let's take a look at how the lines are affected through the energy of this gate. Here are the lines and how they're affected by the energy of Gate 41. If you're not sure about what the lines are, go to the actual diagram, go to the top left side, scroll down a little bit, you're going to see two numbers. One is conscious, one is unconscious. One is the black line, one is red lines on all of the gates. So find that and you'll be able to see which is the conscious and unconscious coming out of that gate. Okay, as a parent, parenting the gate of fantasy, the gate of contraction, it's a journey. So what I mean by that is this child is all about new beginnings, and it has that pressure coming from the root. Remember, the root chakra just like has that, just a pressure, just push it. And so out of this gate, what's happening is fantasy is being created within. Whether it's for playing or doing a new idea, something that's probably going to be pretty radical, honestly. It's going to be something that you're like, whoa, pal, like, what are you thinking? And so this pressure wants these new beginnings to happen. What happens, though, and how this operates is through that pressure of emotions, because this gate is connected to the solar plexus. And that emotions come in waves. Anyone who has a defined solar plexus knows that they operate through the waves of emotions, meaning that there's going to be high points, low points, and then beep, the middle point. The middle point is where we have to teach our children to live within. We have to teach our children who have this gate, one, to dream the dream of dreams, but to also make sure that it's an accurate dream through their inner authority, through the operation of how to get out that inner authority, and also understanding if that gate is hanging or not. Let me show you what I mean by that. This is what a hanging gate looks like. What this means is that your child has the want and for new beginnings, or has that itch desire to want to do something, but they have no clue what they want to do. They just don't know because it's not connected to gate 30 in the solar plex. This is what the channel will look like if your child has a channel. All this means here is that they have the ability to not only have the desire to have fantasy and think of the things they want to do, but they also know where to go, who to talk to, what to do, and what exactly they want. What's frustrating, but also most dope at the same time, is that this child is aware of the surroundings. They're aware of what's happening to you and how you're being affected by what they want to do and how they want to do it. That's why it's a double-bladed sword, because they still have that desire, the need to scratch the itch of the root chakra, still being aware of what's going on and seeing the impact that they're having, because it's part of having that gate is the impact we have on other design. So with that being said, embrace the fantasy, embrace the chase of the dream, work on ways to where if they don't have the connected channel going to the solar plex, find ways where you can introduce a friend into the group that has that gate, or so when you're around other human designs, those gates connect and you have that channel. I think we should look at our friends' designs and everything and compare them, because we want to have the best experience possible. We don't want to isolate others from the experience, which they'll experience in the world on their own, but why not take advantage of knowing human design and check out friends' charts and see how best that they would match, and best ways that you can match for your child through your design, and doing overlaps and everything like that with your design. How to communicate best with your family. There's nothing wrong with that. If you want to get tighter, closer, understand your family in a better way. Like and follow for more about human design. I love you. Do your best and 86 the rest.